Artificial intelligence, AI, is revolutionizing operations management by enhancing decision-making, enabling predictive analytics, and automating key business processes. By leveraging AI technologies, such as machine learning, natural language processing, NLP, and robotics, businesses can optimize production, streamline supply chains, and improve customer interactions. This transformation leads to greater efficiencies, cost reduction, and improved overall performance. Let's look at the applications of AI in operations management, illustrated with real-world examples. One of the most impactful applications of AI in operations is predictive maintenance. By using sensors and machine learning algorithms, AI systems can monitor the performance of equipment in real time, predicting potential failures before they occur. General Electric, GE, applies AI to its industrial equipment, such as wind turbines and jet engines, allowing it to forecast when maintenance is needed. This proactive approach minimizes unplanned downtime and reduces maintenance costs. GE has saved millions by increasing equipment reliability and optimizing maintenance schedules, highlighting the importance of predictive maintenance in ensuring operational efficiency. AI also plays a critical role in supply chain optimization. With the ability to analyze vast amounts of data, AI can forecast demand, manage inventory, and streamline delivery logistics. For instance, Amazon utilizes AI to predict consumer demand and optimize inventory levels. This real-time data analysis allows Amazon to manage its warehouse operations efficiently, ensuring timely deliveries while minimizing costs. By improving supply chain responsiveness, AI enables Amazon to enhance customer satisfaction and reduce overall shipping times. Quality control and defect detection are additional areas where AI has proven highly effective. AI-powered computer vision systems can inspect products in real time, identifying defects before they reach the customer. For example, BMW integrates AI-driven image recognition technology into its production lines to detect inconsistencies or flaws in vehicle assembly. This AI system ensures that BMW maintains high-quality standards while reducing the time and expense associated with manual inspections. The result is consistent product quality and increased production efficiency. AI-driven process automation is also transforming operations management. Repetitive tasks such as scheduling, production planning, and order processing are automated using AI, reducing the need for manual intervention and improving accuracy. Siemens, a leader in manufacturing automation, utilizes AI to analyze production data and optimize machinery settings in its factories. This automation leads to more efficient use of materials, increased productivity, and lower operational costs. By leveraging AI, Siemens has improved its production processes and reduced waste. Demand forecasting and inventory management benefit significantly from AI algorithms. These systems analyze historical sales data and market trends to predict future demand. Walmart, for instance, uses AI models to forecast customer demand and adjust inventory levels accordingly. This approach helps Walmart avoid stockouts, reduce overproduction, and lower inventory costs, all while improving supply chain efficiency and responsiveness. AI also enhances customer service through chatbots and virtual assistants. These AI-powered tools can handle customer inquiries, process orders, and provide the 24/7 support. Domino's Pizza, for example, uses AI chatbots to manage orders via its mobile apps and websites, allowing customers to place orders, track deliveries, and receive real-time assistance without human intervention. This automation improves the customer experience by offering faster and more accurate responses, which in turn boosts customer satisfaction and operational efficiency. Workforce management is another area where AI is making a difference. AI tools can optimize labor allocation, manage employee schedules, and analyze performance metrics to improve overall workforce productivity. Hilton Hotels, for instance, uses AI to predict guest demand and optimize staffing levels. This enables Hilton to schedule the appropriate number of staff members during peak times, improving labor efficiency, reducing staffing costs, and ensuring that guests receive high-quality service. Several companies are successfully integrating AI into their operations. Tesla, for example, uses AI in its manufacturing process to automate the assembly of electric vehicles. AI systems control robotics on the production lines, adjusting processes in real time to improve efficiency and reduce defects. This has enabled Tesla to meet growing demand while maintaining high-quality standards. Similarly, UPS, United Parcel Service, employs an AI system known as Orion, on-road integrated optimization and navigation, to optimize delivery routes. Orion analyzes traffic conditions, weather data, and delivery locations to create the most efficient routes for drivers. This AI tool has saved UPS millions of miles driven, reduced fuel consumption, and improved on-time deliveries, resulting in significant cost savings and environmental benefits. Procter & Gamble, P&G, also leverages AI in its production facilities to optimize packaging and monitor machine performance. AI systems at P&G predict machine failures, allowing the company to conduct maintenance before issues arise. This predictive capability reduces downtime, cuts operational costs, and boosts production efficiency, leading to higher profit margins. Fashion retailer Zara uses AI to predict fashion trends by analyzing customer data and sales patterns. AI helps Zara make real-time decisions about which products to produce and stock in stores. This capability enables Zara to adapt quickly to changing consumer preferences, reduce inventory costs, and increase profitability through optimized product offerings. In conclusion, AI is dramatically transforming operations management across various industries by improving efficiency, reducing costs, and enhancing decision-making capabilities. Companies like Amazon, Tesla, and BMW have successfully integrated AI to automate processes, optimize supply chains, and improve product quality. However, while the benefits of AI, such as cost savings, scalability, and improved quality control, are clear, businesses must also consider the challenges that come with it, including high implementation costs, technical complexities, job displacement, and data security concerns. For businesses to fully realize the potential of AI, they must carefully assess these factors and implement strategies to balance technological advancements with the human workforce. By doing so, they can harness the power of AI to stay competitive and innovative in an evolving marketplace.